Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use command line arguments inside a Spyder console. So as you can see, if I just run this code, this is a generic output, but what it's basically saying is there are not enough inputs. So here we are supposed to generate crossword puzzles like this. And because we're not giving it an input, it takes as input a structure which basically tells where the words can go and where they overlap, and it also takes a dictionary or a set of words that it can use. So if we don't give it those two inputs, then it outputs this, right? So how do we run it? As I said, if you just press run here, it won't work. So what you instead do is you say run inside the console, and you type the name of the file you want to run, but make sure you don't add the extension .py. And then similar to command line, you just add whatever you want, like extra arguments. Basically, it's whatever you do in a command line, and it works just fine, like it would in a command line. So that will save you some time of opening Anaconda and going to your required folder. Or if you use Windows, you can do that too, same thing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.